TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. Excuse me. It's 10 a.m., 30 minutes into the trading day. Thursday, coming into the Christmas holiday. We got a long weekend coming up. All major markets currently higher. Surprise, surprise. Dow Jones positive by 77 points, trading at 24,804. Looking at S&Ps positive by 5 points, trading at 2684. And Nasdaq positive by 5 points, trading at 6967. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform. Start things off with a little futures action. Here we are on the S&P 500. So you see off the highs of the session that we had around the open, we spiked up just above 2690 before pulling back a few points, currently trading 2686. Nasdaq 100, similar pattern, higher right around the open, 6505 was the spike, pulling back about 15 points, currently trading 6490 in the Nasdaq 100. Dow 30, no pullback in the Dow 30, currently at the highs, 24,817, only about 185 points from that 25,000 mark. We'll see if we can get there this year. Crude oil, we had EIA inventories yesterday. Crude bouncing around a bit this morning. We're up above $58 earlier in the session overnight, currently trading $57.73. Gold bouncing around as well. You had some volatility in gold with the GDP numbers coming out at 8:30. GDP third quarter revision to 3.2% on an annual basis. The expectation was about 3.3%, so pretty close to in line. And natural gas, let's get natural gas up. I'm not sure why that chart, because natural gas, 30 minutes from right now, we'll have the inventory numbers on natural gas, and quite a little volatility we had. 7:40 a.m. Eastern time, we saw a spike from about 262 all the way down to about 257, 5-cent spike in the span of 5 minutes. And from there, we've regained all of those losses right back up to 262. So we'll see if those inventory numbers, how they shake out. And Bitcoin, how about it? Under 16,000. Bitcoin struggling a bit. Started the week off at about 18.9. Over the weekend, we're as high as almost 20,000 CME futures for the first time. But Bitcoin retracing as we speak, hitting session lows, 15,889. We'll see where that shakes out. And some interesting news on Bitcoin. Seems like there's an endless supply of news. Check it out. So you want Long Island iced tea? Well, you're going to get Long Island Bitcoin now. An iced tea company in Long Island pivots to Bitcoin, stock jumps 200%. And then, on the flip side, man accidentally throws away $127 million in Bitcoin. Officials won't allow a search. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back here. We'll have those natural gas numbers.